The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. Here, Sarah Lechowich, owner of True North Roofing, talks about girlhood expectations and thinking like water.
I found out in my 30s, somebody made a comment like, you have a mechanical mind, because I think about how things work. And I had never been told that in my life. A woman, as a little girl, you're told like, you're so pretty and you smile so nice and you have great hair, and they're always complimenting you on these things. And, when I was little, my dream was to grow up and be a princess. Like, I thought I could attain that. And nothing wrong with that. But, I like being able to use my mind, and I like to be able to diagnose leaks. One of my favorite things to do is to be called to a home that's having an issue with water damage, and nobody can figure out where it's getting in or how it's getting in. And I like to be able to, use my mechanical mind and think like water and go back and trace where that leak has started and fix it. And I especially like it if, a couple other contractors have been there before me and they couldn't figure it out.